How to replace sky in Kinemaster. You already heard about Kinemaster video editing app. Today we learn about that how can we change our sky in any video through Kinemaster. In this video I change your daylight sky through night star lighting. Awesome sky replacement Kinemaster tutorial. It's a simple effect you can create in minutes in the Kinemaster app. I hope you will like the video. Sky replacement is a quick and easy way to make your videos look more dynamic. Let's take a look at how to replace the sky in Kinemaster app. Sky replacement can make videos look more exciting and turn great shots into something truly epic. Switch out your sky in Kinemaster is a breeze, and it works best if the horizon in your shot does not move. In the example I used here, the drone does not change position relative to the horizon, but in a ground level shot, this means you don't tilt the camera up or down. Add the shot you want replaced. Add the sky you want to replace it with. Follow me step by step. Crop part of the clip. Next, select the sky layer and adjust its size and position so that the bottom clip's horizon lines up with the top clip's horizon. Ultimately, your sky replacement effect can be as simple or complex as your skill and imagination allows.
Every time we say goodbye.
Want some more tips and tricks for Kinemaster? Check out the following resources. If you found the video useful somewhere, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. That motivates me to make more video for you guys. Thank you for watching.